Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayuri and I just wanted to talk about something with you guys today. मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि it takes a village to raise a child. But unfortunately हम आज जिस situation में हैं village तो छोड़िए, जो हमारे अपने हैं, हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, parents in law, वो भी नहीं आ पा रहे अभी आजकल हमारे पास because of the state border restrictions or whatever different travel restrictions, especially for the families which are nuclear, just husband, wife and kid. It's an altogether shift in their daily lifestyle, in the daily chores that they're doing. और हमारा we urban India, especially in metropolitans, we are so dependent on a lot of things, on other people for for our day-to-day life. For instance, घर के काम के लिए we have a maid, there's a separate person doing the cooking in the house. But since we're all under our isolation and quarantine, it's all it's just us. We do not have any support, we do not have any help, and we are still making our way through it. I don't want to make this video a negative one because it's not. It's actually talking about how you can make most of this time, especially if you are a parent to a toddler or you have small kids at home. So the moment work from home was announced, हम थोड़ा सा तो panic हो ही गए थे कि how are things going to be with Sammy being so small. By the way, those who don't know, I am a mother of a 1-year-old boy. So we have a little toddler at home. और हम the moment the lockdown was announced, we didn't know where to start. अपना तो हम सब भूल ही गए थे कि हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है, बट डेफिनेटली देयर वर अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स दैट वी हैड इन माइंड फॉर सैमी, जो हमें अरेंज करनी थी या जो हमें अवेलेबल रखनी थी अपने पास, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अनसर्टन times where the markets were shut, home deliveries are not happening, so all of those things. So I thought it'll be helpful to talk through those things with you guys. So I know since it's been already like a month that we've been into this, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप लोगों ने फिगर आउट कर ही ली होंगी, बट स्टिल फॉर दोज हु आर स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग एंड दे डोंट नो वेयर टू स्टार्ट एंड व्हाट टू डू, आई होप दिस video helps you a little bit. So first thing that I'm going to be talking about is stocking up a few essential items, especially when you have little kids at home. आपके बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं, things, couple of essential things that it's good that you stock up at this time, because it's uncertain कि markets कब तक खुले हैं, कहाँ से delivery है, and also for the fact that it's not safe to go out of your house. तो पहली चीज़ that I would definitely ask you to stock up on is diapers and napkins. So if your child still wears diapers, make sure that you're stocking them up at least 1-2 हफ्तों के लिए diapers का stock रखिए अपने पास, because we don't know, as I said, uncertainty है. तो diapers and wet wipes, I know wet wipes are such a life savior, तो वो मतलब we are like literally using them for everything. So I won't say hoard it, but at least have it available for just in case you run out of stock. तो कम से कम एक महीने का डायपर और 1 महीने का अपना वेट वाइप्स का जो भी आपका स्टॉक है वो आप ज़रूर रखिए. दूसरी चीज़, अगर आपका बच्चा फॉर्मूला फीड पर है, अगर आपके साथ ऐसा वाला सिचुएशन है कि आपका बच्चा फॉर्मूला फीड भी लेता है and you're also mixing it up with other foods, I would suggest stock up a little bit on the formula feed as well. The reason why I say that, because although milk delivery and every delivery in terms of milk, cow milk, whatever, is still at least for us, I know it hasn't stopped, but I'm sure that there are a couple of you who have to go pick milk for your kids. So it's better that you stock up on a little bit of formula for your child, so his milk demands are met at least. The third thing that is very important for you to stock up are medicines, of course. अगर आपका बच्चा विटामिन डी लेता है और विटामिन डी सप्लीमेंट्स, आयरन सप्लीमेंट्स, ऐसी चीज़ें वो डेली बेसिस पे लेता है, तो मेक श्योर यू डू हैव एटलीस्ट 1 बॉटल लाइंग अराउंड विथ यू एक्स्ट्रा. बट हाँ, जब आप ऐसे स्टॉकअप करते हैं, स्पेशली मेडिसिन या कोई भी आइटम एक्चुअली विच इज़ प्रोन टू गेट एक्सपायर्ड, प्लीज़ उसका एक्सपायरी डेट चेक करिए कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आपने वो स्टॉकअप कर लिया और आप इवेंचुअली यूज़ नहीं कर पाए तो वो चीज़ वेस्ट हो जाती है. तो दैट इज़ अगेन वन थिंग दैट यू शुड डेफिनेटली स्टॉक अप. मेडिसिन की जब हम बात करें तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कुछ बेसिक जनरल मेडिसिन भी आपके पास होनी चाहिए. फॉर इंस्टेंस कैलपॉल इज़ वन मेडिसिन दैट इज़ डॉक्टर रिकमेंडेड. मेरी जो पीडियाट्रिशियन है मेरे बेटे की, शी हैज़ रिकमेंडेड इट. और पेन हो बच्चे को या हल्का बुखार लगे तो वी कैन गिव देम कैलपॉल ड्रॉप्स. However, as I said, I'm not a medical professional. I don't know what might be the limitations of your child's health. So please, do not give administer any medicines to them which are not recommended or which are not approved by the doctor. For us, Calpol drops works just fine. आपके लिए अगर कोई और ऐसी medicines हैं which you give to your child that suits them and that eases them, please feel free. But yeah, stock up on them. Another thing that is important in terms of their feeding and nursing is stock up on the items that they eat generally. ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको हमेशा फ्रूट्स का सप्लाई रहे. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगर आपका बच्चा बनाना खाता है तो आप रोज़ उसको बनाना दे पाओ. ऐसे टाइम पे when you will think twice before going out, it's better to stock up on a couple of items जो आप घर में ही बना सको. जैसे सूजी का हलवा या सूजी की खीर मेरे बच्चे को बहुत पसंद है, तो आई हैव सूजी स्टॉक्ड अप अ लिटिल बिट इन माई हाउस. ही लव्स कॉर्नफ्लेक्स ऑल्सो. अभी हमने उसको चोकोज नहीं शुरू किया, बट ही ईट्स कॉर्नफ्लेक्स ड्राई एंड विद मिल्क, सो हमने वो स्टॉक अप किया है थोड़ा सा. सेरेलैक, इफ़ योर बेबी स्टिल ऑन बेबी फूड, डेफिनेटली स्टॉक दैट अप. ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो आई एम श्योर हर पेरेंट टू पेरेंट वेरी करती है. बच्चे आर वेरी फसी ईटर्स, सो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर स्टॉकिंग अप अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू नो योर चाइल्ड इज़ गोइंग टू लव इट. वो चीज़ उसको पसंद ही है, तो अगर वो कुछ नहीं खा रहा है या खा रही है तो एटलीस्ट वो खा ले. Second very important thing I can't lay enough emphasis on is share the load. Right now is the time. Actually, अगर आप वैसे देखो, हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि we don't get enough time with our children. ऑफिस के काम, भाग दौड़, commute to the office. Most part of our day is spent traveling away from home, not being able to see our children. We are getting all that time now. So please make sure that you're making most of it. And this message is specifically for parents, especially fathers. Just in case they weren't able to make time before अपने बच्चे के लिए. पहले वो उतना टाइम नहीं निकाल पा रहे थे शायद, but अब वो निकाल पा रहे हैं. तो please share the load. Also, this is the right time when you're मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि जो स्टार्टिंग के 2 साल होते हैं बच्चे के, वो उनके मेंटल डेवलपमेंट के लिए बेस्ट ईयर्स होते हैं. सो यू वुड वांट टू रेज अ हैप्पी किड, a kid who, the values that you instill in them at this time will be with them forever. तो उनको इक्वालिटी सिखाइए. आप और आपकी वाइफ, जब दोनों मिलके, आप या आपका पार्टनर जब दोनों मिलके कोई काम करेंगे तो आपके बच्चे को भी ये जेंडर इक्वालिटी समझ में आएगा. That no one job is just meant for the mama to do and there's no one job that is just meant for the papas to do. तो उनको ज़रूर पता होना चाहिए ये कि हर काम हर किसी के लिए है. Be it laundry, be it cooking food, be it cleaning the house, everything. ये सारी चीज़ें जेंडर न्यूट्रल होनी चाहिए. और आप you getting the time of your life now to contribute into the family, to be there for your family, to develop that special bond with your children. So please make most of it. Maid भी नहीं आ रही है, आपका बच्चा भी है घर में. I'm sure your wife is already too stressed out. So it's split responsibility is actually what I meant to say. The third thing that is again very important is almost all children enjoy bath time. तो what you can do is you can extend bath time. अगर आप उनको पहले 10 minute bath time होता था उनका, तो let them play a little bit longer in water. Of course, after making sure कि water का जो temperature है वो ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म ना बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा हो. It should be normal temperature, जिसमें अगर आपका बच्चा थोड़ी देर ज़्यादा देर भी है वहाँ पर, तो उसके hands और legs तो थोड़े soggy हो ही जाएंगे, but then उनको at least ठंड ना लग जाए. So that is very important. Introduce bath toys. बच्चों को बहुत खिलौनों की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. The moment you are just putting them in the water, they will make fun out of the water as well. They'll splash on you. They'll just play with anything that is ready at their disposal. But still introduce toys because that's going to keep them engaged for longer. Third thing in terms of the bath time could be that आप उनका जो if you have a bathtub or like a tub or a bucket or like a space where they take bath, if it is mobile, आप उसको इधर उधर कहीं प्लेस कर सकते हो. सो चेंज द लोकेशन ऑफ देयर बाथ इफ़ पॉसिबल. जैसे हमारे पास सैमी के लिए एक टब है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, कभी वो टब को हम बालकनी में रख देते हैं एंड लेट हिम टेक अ बाथ, या फिर उसे कभी लिविंग रूम में रख देते हैं. आई नो इट क्रिएट्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मेस, बट आई एम श्योर कि उसके लिए रोज़ वही एक चीज़ मोनोटोनसली करना would have been much difficult than just us cleaning up a little bit of stuff later. So that's what we do. We put it in the living room so he enjoys that time. तो हम ये करते हैं. However, it's very very important that they are under supervision always. ऐसा ना हो कि आपने उनको बालकनी में खड़ा कर दिया टब में बिठा के and you're not even around, you're not keeping a close watch on them. And just make sure कि आप उनके आसपास हो, आप देख रहे हो वो क्या कर रहे हैं. Or I'm sure bath will be a lot more fun if it is extended, if it is supervision में, or with a couple of more toys. Another thing that is extremely important, especially at this time and all the other times as well, if you have a child at home, is keeping hygiene in mind when you're talking about cleaning your house. And especially now, since you are doing it yourself, I would say आप जितना हो सके keep the floor clean. And by clean, I don't mean कि वहाँ खिलौने नहीं होने चाहिए, वहाँ कोई और सामान नहीं होना चाहिए, because it's just too much to ask with a for a house which has a child. It's too much to ask. But then जहाँ तक आपके फर्श की बात है, it should be clean. Mopping अगर आप रोज़ नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो भी वीक में एक दिन या वीक में 2 दिन अगर आप ऐसे कर रहे हो कि आप डिसइंफेक्ट कर रहे हो सारे फ्लोर को with Dettol या any other disinfectant, phenyl डाल के या कुछ भी, but your floor should be extremely clean. For us, we are like literally living on the floor now. तो हम यही कर रहे हैं that we are making sure हम रोज़ नहीं कर सकते of course ये सब, because with work, with child, with everything else that's going on in our life right now, it's just very difficult. But then what we try and ensure is कि हम at least room उतना साफ रखें. अगर हम जैसे पहले किसी चीज़ का रैपर ऐसे ही फेंक देते थे, I know I'm lazy, I used to do that a little bit, तो वो नहीं कर रहे हैं. दूसरी चीज़, वी आर कीपिंग ऑल आवर शूज़ आउट ऑफ द हाउस, सो वी लाइक बेयर फुट इनसाइड द हाउस, जिससे कि ज़्यादा दिन तक घर साफ रहे. तो इट डेफिनेटली सेव्स आर सम टाइम इन टर्म्स ऑफ रोज़ झाड़ू पोछा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. वी आर नॉट डूइंग इट, एंड प्लस इट्स क्लीन फॉर द बेबी एज वेल. So that's something that we've been doing, and I think it's working out great for us. Next thing that I have here is reintroduce toys. Now this is a funny one and also a little sad, but this is what we've been doing. तो होता क्या है, as children are, they get bored of their toys so easily. अगर आप उनको 2 toys भी दोगे ना, I'm sure they will still pick up something that is totally not a toy, not relevant to them, and they will have the time of their lives with that. जैसे हम जहाँ कहीं उसको एक बॉटल पड़ा मिल जाएगा, या फिर उसको कोई भी और छोटा सा कुछ भी मतलब ऐसा मिल जाएगा, which is remotely a toy, he enjoys playing with it more. मतलब लिटरली ऐसा होता है कि हमने उसको एक साइड पे बिठाया है जहाँ उसके सारे टॉयज हैं, तो वो हमें दूसरी साइड दिखेगा. ही प्लेज विद आलू. सो इमेजिन, सो योर चाइल्ड डजंट नीड अ लॉट ऑफ टॉयज. hide a couple of their toys. I to the point that अगर आपके बच्चे का कोई ऐसा टॉय है that they just absolutely cannot do without, don't hide that toy. लेकिन अगर कोई ऐसा टॉय है that's just a good to have, आप उसको 2-4 दिन के लिए कहीं उठा के रख दो और 4-5 दिन बाद उनको फिर से इंट्रोड्यूस करो to your child, and like it's a new toy. So it will definitely, it's like a very silly hack, but it does work for at least our child, कि उसको लगता है ये नया है and he starts paying more attention to it. So this is one of the things that we have done for a couple of days. I'm not sure how long will it last. I'm sure he's going to outgrow out of this also, but this is definitely something that we've been doing, and it's so far it's working for us. The last thing that I would suggest doing is spare time for your baby. You never know if this time is ever going to come back again in your life. Imagine maternity leaves थी 6 महीने की, and then when you had to go back to work, although you were excited, you also were a little sad because you were leaving your baby behind. Um I know for a fact that I felt like that, but now is the time when we are getting it back in our lives. Hum, I There's nothing better than being able to see your child pura din. I know there are a lot of other things going. I know there is a lot of stress going on. I know you're working from home. You're juggling between 10 different house chores. But trust me, everything else can wait except your child. He will grow up so fast, he or she will grow up so fast that you would not even realize. So I would say make the best of this time, especially husbands या especially fathers जो ये complain हमेशा करते हैं कि they could never spend as much time with the child. Now you have all the time. Even though you're working, take small breaks between your work just to hug them, kiss them, just tell them how much you love them, cuddle them, just be with them, play with them. I know it's too much to say. These are a lot of words, and every one of us aspire to do this. But really, use this time for something productive. I know बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही हैं, हम बहुत stressed out हैं. There's so much uncertainty, job security. I can go on, and there are so many stresses already going on in our lives at this moment. The least you can do is transfer it to your child. Do not. उनके लिए they are having the best time of their life क्योंकि उनके मम्मा पापा दोनों घर में हैं इस वक्त. So make this time something like this is something you could look back on. आगे चल के when you'll think about this time, you will remember how good memories you have created in this time. And I apologize if I made it sound like we've got all of this together, because we haven't. We don't. For a fact, I know there are a lot of things that are portrayed in a way, people tell you in a way that, oh, हमारी लाइफ तो सॉर्टेड है, हमें तो सब पता है, दिस इज हाउ वी आर डूइंग इट, हमारे बच्चे का तो ईटिंग स्केड्यूल है, उसका ही इज पॉटी ट्रेन्ड, ही इज दिस, एंड इट ओवरवेल्म्स मी. It really does. So I don't want to lay down that notion out there कि मैंने तो सब figure out कर रखा है. I am like doing the best job as a mother. I am not. And trust me, no one is. No one has this all sorted. Parenthood is not a destination, it's a journey. So let me know if you're doing something else for your child that is keeping them engaged and also keeping yourself happy and them happy. And I'll be happy to know more about it. It takes a village, as I said again. तो I'm sure जो चीज़ मैं कर रही हूँ, I'm sure बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसमें से ऐसी होंगी जो आप ज़्यादा अच्छी कर रहे हो, but it's not a competition. It's just about keeping our babies happy while keeping our sanity in check as well. So with that, if you like the video, please, if you like the content, please click on the like button. Click on the subscribe channel if you want to see more of this coming. Let me know in the comments below what are your struggles or what are the things that you're doing better, and maybe we can use it in our daily lives. And also let me know what more content you would like to see from us, and we'll be happy to make it for you. All right then, take care, stay